Welcome back to my busy kitchen. Today we are adding to our Mastering Meals playlist and we're going to talk about ribs. These are baby back ribs, pork. On sale at Mariano's, this whole rack was $9. We're opening the ribs and there's something called silver skin on the back side. And there's two schools of thought. Some people like to leave that on because as the ribs get tender, that silver skin kind of holds the rack together and you can flip it on the grill. Since we're doing it in the oven, we're doing it in the oven. I don't care because we're gonna have this wrapped in foil, and that's how Hannah likes her ribs is falling off the bone. So we're gonna do that right there, and it's super easy.
Do all ribs have silver skin?
Yeah. Sometimes the store will have taken it off for you, but 9 times out of 10, it's gonna look like this. And so all we're gonna do is take our knife, mop up any of this extra juice, take a knife just down the middle, and it's kind of gonna cut the silver skin. And I find it's easier to take a paper towel and pull it, and we'll see. Ah, amazing. Awesome. There she is. Boom. Yellow mustard. This is a binder. If you don't like mustard, don't worry about it because you cannot taste it. It's just gonna help the spices adhere to the pork, and I'm just gonna rub it in.
Is there anything else you can use?
Ketchup? No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I've just always seen barbecue people use, yeah, cute. Perfect. Use yellow mustard. I mean, maybe you could use different types of mustard, but yellow mustard's super cheap, so it's just to bind. And then, Hannah, if you also help me with the seasoning. This is, use any barbecue that you want. Grillin' with Dad is local to Chicago, and he has an amazing line of seasonings, and this is just his all-purpose rub. It basically has black pepper, brown sugar,
salt, sugar, brown sugar, spices, paprika, garlic, onion, chili powder, cumin, salt, oregano, and paprika extract.
Just a little bit more right there, honey. Chat, we're on camera right now.
We're live.
We're live. And you want to be pretty generous with this because this is where all your flavor is going to go. And then we're just going to wrap it in foil. I have the oven set at 325. And
do you want to flip it really quick so I can get...
Oh yeah. It'll be tender in about 2 hours. Then we're going to add some barbecue sauce and then finish it off under the broiler to get like the crispy bits. That's it. We just made ribs. And then we're just gonna wrap it like a package. Making sure it's sealed all the way around.
And then just directly on the oven rack.
I usually put it on a baking sheet just in case there is a little bit of leakage. It's not gonna go to the bottom of your oven. Easy cleanup. This is gonna go into a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. You'll know it's tender when you can put a knife in between the bones and you will see the bones kind of pull away from the meat. But obviously if it's not to your liking, if it's not tender enough, you can throw it in for like another hour. All right, 2 hours, that's all we needed. And voila! So good. So
smells amazing.
This is a dry rub. We just did the all season Grill with Dad all-purpose
seasoning, yeah.
Hannah's Jacob. Well, it's Hannah's Jacob. Jacob only likes spices on his ribs. He doesn't like
dry
sauce.
rub.
Rub. So we're gonna cut this in half and only put sauce on half of it. And Hannah likes the skinny end, and she likes sauce. So we're gonna cut this in half and put sauce on half. Put it under the broiler so you can see what that looks like. But you can see I've already put a knife through it. But this is another telltale sign that you can see is the bone starts to peek out, and it's so tender. I'm gonna cut it in half right here, kind of between the bone. There it is. Yeah, that's amazing. And the skinny part's gonna go on my, you can see how tender this is. Woo! And it's hot. Oh, but hands of steel, it's okay. We're gonna wrap that up for Jacob. Little piece.
Yes.
Wow.
So fucking good.
Wow, that's amazing. I'll put a picture up of this barbecue sauce that I'm using. It's a new vendor in Crystal Lake. It's called the Winter Inn, and they are going to be having a shop in McHenry. There's a little place in McHenry that has like tiny storefronts, I guess, for lack of a better word, like a marketplace. And they're going to be in there, but they're also going to be at the Crystal Lake Farmers Market outside this summer as well. And they probably had 24 different variations of their barbecue sauce. Some very interesting. The one that this one caught my eye because it says too much vinegar or so much vinegar. It just had vinegar in it, and I just love a vinegar-based barbecue sauce. So we're gonna put this under the broiler on low until it gets like charred bits, and then taste test. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a good piece. I'll get them.
It's so hot. My mom will literally take something out of the oven and within 10 seconds taste it.
Correct.
And I'm like, how? I just don't want to burn my mouth off.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna let that cool for just a second.
Yeah. But it smells incredible.
Hannah's really particular about certain meats. She will likes this because it's tender, pull apart. What she doesn't like is if it's gristly, has anything, tough.
If it's tough, you have to work at it. Sign me the hell out of there.
Yeah, and when she went to Germany for high school for German exchange, and she sent me all the sausage she was eating, I was like, "What is happening? What happened to my daughter? She jumped across the world, and all of a sudden can eat all the sausage." And it's because it was like knockwurst. It was stuff that just had no gristle in it.
None of their stuff had gristle in it.
Okay, I'm going in. I can't wait.
It's like falling off. That's the best.
This is so freaking good.
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
It's incredible. It's a little spicy, but not really. It's just flavorful.
And I'm loving the little bit of vinegar tang I'm getting from that barbecue sauce and the base of the dry rub. Phenomenal.
1,000 out of 10. Do you know how long these are on sale for?
I actually bought them last week and today's Tuesday. You can get them today. Mariano's sale flyers run from Wednesday to the following Tuesday, and I bought them over the weekend, so they'll be today.
I gotta go get some.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
And this is such an easy set it and forget it. You don't need a grill, you don't need anything. You need foil, get some, yeah, look at that. Tenderism. Yeah, can I have a little bit of barbecue sauce, just a little dip?
Yeah.
Just a little dip right there, and I'll send you home some too.
This is all I need.
Okay.
It's perfect. Oh my gosh.
Perfection. I hope you like this video.
Subscribe.
Like
Comment.
lick your fingers. Do all the things.
Let us know if you make it.
Yeah. And send us pictures because we do like seeing that.
It's so hot.
We'll see you next time. Fuck, this is good.
I know. It's unreal. Like, look at how clean that is. Best ribs you've ever made.
Thank you.
I'm saying it right now.
All right.
Best ribs you've ever made.